Hey, hi folks. So this is day one of building creative block. So one of the reasons I wanted to document this entire journey is that before this, I've tried building multiple products, but I haven't ever documented it. So basically, whatever learning that I have, whatever experience that I gained from developing or designing a product, I was not able to kind of capitalize on it. So that is the main reason why I'm documenting it. So coming to creative block, like what is the whole idea about, right? So one day, like I have been consulting as a UX designer, right? So one day I was just working on a problem and I realized how I have to, for every certain feature or a use case that I'm working on, every time I start my work, I have to scan through so many design patterns, right? So suppose there could be a simple problem of maybe booking a flight ticket, right? Booking a seat for that, and just to understand how the pattern works, what are the users accustomed to? Because you can't take user out of their usual pattern, right? And that will completely alienate the experience, and they will feel very new to the platform, right? So you don't want to do that, and for that reason you try to understand what are the existing patterns that all the industry standard are following, right? And that process is so complex, so lengthy that you start signing up so multiple platforms, you go to so many, you go and build so many accounts, and now your mail is filled with spam and all the marketing emails. So I thought, why not have a single repository where you can find solution to different features, use cases that you're trying to solve, different complex problems that you're trying to solve from the experts who have already kind of solved it, right? Or there's an existing pattern that we can that is evidently visible. So this is where the creative blog idea came from. I kind of wasted 1.5 day to solve a single design pattern uh, problem, and it was a very simple solution, but since I was not aware of the pattern, it was something new to me. I spent almost 1.5 of my day there. So that is where Creative Block come into play. And what's Creative Block exactly? It's similar to Stack Overflow, just like developers have a repository where they can go to find any solution, so they don't waste time understanding that it's something that has already been solved, right? That is what Creative Block does. Basically, initially, what we want is people to go there, find solution to common design patterns, common design problems that everybody is trying to solve, and in that way, what we are going to do is build a series of record where we can find a solution to almost every existing design problems, right? Of course, I understand unique problems, there are unique products that have unique problems that need unique solutions, but even in that case, I think it's very important to understand what the existing pattern is, what is the existing mental model of a particular user base, right? And I think this product is going to help in that a lot. So how did I start there? I initially started with making uh, a very rough skeleton of the product, and I believe that it's important to talk to users a lot. So right now I'm trying to get into communities, I'm trying to get into connect with people who are already into the industry doing really well, to understand what is the gap, market gap, and how we can, it's more like a product discovery, trying to understand what all we can have, how can we make it better and everything. But initially it's just a skeleton, and we are trying to get as many user feedbacks possible, try to talk to the users that how they are going currently, how they go about solving this problem that creative block is trying to solve. So yeah, this is the day one. I'll try to make a video every day, how we progress, or every time we hit a milestone or we overcome a complex challenge. I want to document it so that I can always use it sometime in the future when I, encounter something similar or try to solve or build something new. So yeah, just stay connected.